Hi guys, and good morning. This Dyson Dyson Hoover I just found today was chucked out, and I love to clean these things up and fix them if they're not working, and sometimes I just shop them on eBay, so a little extra income. And what they did is perfectly fine. They've been just hoovering some water with it, as you can see when I switch it on. Look what happens. If I push the water out, it's absolutely crazy, and there is no sucking or very little sucking whatsoever, because there's some filthy builders working with this stuff, completely disrespecting the house owner's equipment, and just doing some nasty stuff, and then just chuck it out and tell the house owner that the Hoover is damaged. It's absolutely not damaged, but of course, check this out. Check this out. If you see things like this, yeah, then normally you should not get rid of your builder, but you should take him to court, because this is absolutely disgusting and disrespectful to treat someone else's equipment like this. Now this should be cleaned, in fact washed. Dyson provides it. You can push it. You can even put it in a dishwasher, but you can definitely clean it underwater, which I'm going to do. Then I'm going to wait. Till the whole water dries out. That can take a week or two. Clean the whole thing up, and I have a perfect Hoover. Now, very, very careful. Please make sure you clean this filter all the time, because if not, then there is no suction and you're gonna damage the motor. Now, after the Hoover is cleaned up and put into action, I'm gonna do another video, and I'm going to introduce this Hoover to you. And basically, I just saved £250 on an equipment which comes normally with a 5 years warranty. One of the best Hoovers in the world. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, the Master of Random.